In an unfortunate incident, one MR personnel who was deployed at Moreh died due to dengue. The incident took place last night around 11 p.m. The personnel has been identified as Sanabam Bungcha, 23 years, son of S. Ingocha Singh from Yaripok, Yambem. He is a follower of the IRB and posted at 5 IRB posts, Moreh. His lifeless body is evacuated from Moreh to Imphal. A praise meet was held in Manipur Press Club in connections with the date of Bungcha by his family members. Speaking to media persons, uncle of the led Bungcha and advisor of Joint Committee Civil Organization Yaripok Yambem spoke about the incidents and demand from the family.
Moisin Nara Kanta hospital, the mas inpatient when hospital, the labor could on jobs in Namtaba, labor Namtaba, inpatient when. Hospital Salure, doctor, some treatment, Kratore, Hida Kare, Aduga Mana labor, 5 IRB post, the Magi barracks, the drip home Kang Yala Kanta, drip home doing Lurakan, the lake hit very much. Other Tashing, but he must say, Quena, some Magi history, she Kanta di. He did not get the proper treatment at there, proper medical treatment at there. Madam di ma was in Pandale and Maga Sushiro. Madam di last the Karmai Tore dengue ne detectore. Other dengue to the Yumda Tamaga Sum the Drip Yalaga lying by the Madu, it is not proper medical treatment. I could give you talk reko. I could give talk aggressive yare. Then another Jawan, another number of Jawan are there at Moreh's side, at Moreh. What will be their condition when this type of situation comes there?